you.
Yeah, you love
I
me?
love you. I love you. No. You.
Hey, Israel.
Dissolve. Free Palestine. Look. Vision. And can I handshake, please?
Oh my God.
Free Palestine. Free Palestine. You from Israel?
Israel. Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. I'm from Bangladesh. I
love
support you
I
guys.
love you.
I support you
love
guys.
too.
Okay,
Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Bangladesh. We
Yeah.
love you.
Yeah, you love
I
me?
love you. I love you. No. Zaitanu. Hey, maniac.
Listen to me.
No.
Okay, okay, no.
I'm Israel. You.
You want to them?
איפה מציב? יאללה, רגע, טיפה ו... לא, לא.
Oh, you want to
Fire.
you want to me?
No. Nada. Fire.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, Israel.
Yes.
From Israel.
Where are you from?
Israel.
Oh, nice, nice. Thank you so much. I'm happy to see you guys.
Oh, we too. We're happy to see you too.
Nice, nice. Do you cook?
Yeah, here.
Oh, okay, okay.
She good too, but me too. No, before they're her.
Very nice. I tried to make some justice soup here in Bangladesh. It's still boiling, waiting for Israel to free Palestine. Hi.
Oh, Israel!
Yeah.
I like you.
Are you guys Israeli?
I'm from Israel.
Oh my
Israel
God.
strong.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Do heart.
No, okay.
Wait, why?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay.
שותף שלי.
Thank
Where
you.
are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Your friend is in the IDF?
Yeah.
Both of us.
What do you prefer between tea or coffee?
Oh,
Like-
coffee.
Coffee.
Ah.
Coffee cold.
Okay, but I have a
Guys.
I have a company here. I'm a really director of the company, and we produce some juice. It's called like a we call it a freedom juice.
What? How it's called? Your company?
The company is the taste of Palestine after Israel is gone. Free Palestine.
I say to you something. You and all your family. And go to Gaza, my friend. Go to Gaza. Go.
Hello,
Hello, where are you from, bro?
Israel, and you?
Oh, welcome. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I
Absolutely.
see that you're raising our flag.
You are right.
I
Like,
appreciate it a lot.
thank you so much.
A lot, especially on this day.
Yeah, thank you. But in your country, what is the most favorite sport?
I think it's soccer.
Oh, soccer. In Bangladesh, I invented a game.
Cool. What
Do
is it about?
The game is like Israel out of Palestine.
Oh my God.
Hi,
Where are you from?
Israel/Palestine. Whatever you want to call it. I don't care.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah, I can see. You support Israel. I see.
Any problem?
No, I'm just saying. It's interesting why though. Let me hear your why.
I put this flag behind of mine. Look. Vision. And then I really rise up this flag. Okay. I say free
Good.
Palestine. I say free Palestine.
It will be free, inshallah.
Inshallah,
It
inshallah.
will be fucked up.
But I'm sorry if you get me wrong. Have a look. When first of all, when they saw, oh, you guy from Bangladesh, only first boy I see that you support Israel. I said yes, and then I asked some different question, like when they make a clap, and then gradually I really fall it down, and then they
It's
really.
such a good setup.
This is my flag only. There is no flag that I heard except Bangladesh and this one.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Allah يعطيك العافية.
okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
وعليكم السلام.
Hi.
Yeah. Israel.
Yes. Where are you from?
Israel.
really love from Bangladesh.
Israel.
Yes, thank you.
Israel.
Oh my God, you're from Israel. I'm so happy.
You're Jewish?
No, I'm Muslim.
Yeah, you're
I'm-
Jewish.
I'm-
Every to feel.
No, I'm Muslim, but I respect
Ah.
you. I salute you and I endorse you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so how old are you guys?
13.
Yeah, okay, but my
Yes.
age is really so bigger than you.
How old are you?
What do
You
you?
look like 20.
Me? Wish I-
20?
Okay, wish I could be 20, so I would have a better time by now. But I'm not really 20. I'm 30.
You
Sorry?
look really good for your age. Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom.
Ani oheb otak.
Yeah. Good.
Hi. Oh, you guys are from IDF?
Yes.
Yes. Peace and love from Bangladesh. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Can I handshake?
Come to Israel.
Yeah, I will come. Can I handshake, please?
Oh my God.
Free Palestine. Free Palestine.
את ראית את זה? Don't come in Israel, we will get you in Gaza. Bye bye.
Oh,
הוא אוהב ישראל.
yes. Yes. Free Palestine.